Hi, Jonathan here today. I want to talk a little bit about uh, metro projects or large state level projects or city projects. This particular project we're on is the Orange Line that runs through the San Fernando Valley. It runs from North Hollywood all the way into Woodland Hills. They also were able to include a bike path, as you see here along my side, that goes all the way for miles along the Orange Line, which is great. There was a lot of back and forth with this project that it was supposed to be a subway. Valley homeowners groups didn't want it. Then it was going to be cut and cover like a subway, but a different process. Scared a lot of people, so they kept it all at surface. And there's definitely some benefits to it. We've got the roadway and we've got the bike path, so there's certainly some benefits. What I'd like to talk about is water conservation, and metro projects partially, but again, commercial projects and government projects. When this project was done and new, you'll see the Orange Line going by. When this project was done, it was so incredibly overplanted, so overplanted. In some areas, they've already come back in and tore plants out and redone it. In other areas, the plant material has died because it's become so overgrown. You can see here with the tens of millions and hundreds of millions of dollars that we spend on metro projects. Look at the maintenance of this. This is a fire issue. This is an aesthetic issue. It's just embarrassing with the amount of money we spend. Look at the number of trees. Look at how close together these trees are planted. It's just ridiculous. Those trees could have been staggered and made a huge difference how they looked. Could have made a huge difference in how they shaded the parkway. You'll notice over my right shoulder, big trees. In a minute, you're going to see a biker coming by and how people are using this space. The sun is off to my left. You see the big trees are off here to the right. Not only are the big trees hanging over the metro, which created danger, but they minimize the ability to shade any of this space. Design, design, design. We have an opportunity to make a huge difference if these things are designed correctly. Staggering trees, offsetting and staggering trees. Why are they so close to the street that vehicles and trucks can come by and hit and injure and damage them? Why are these very large trees so close to the driveway and to the actual bus line? Imagine one falls over in a wind event. You're going to see some large pines in here. These are going to get to the point where they're either going to fall, they're going to have to take them out, or they become very high maintenance. We really have to start looking at these projects differently to be water wise, to be water smart. We can either water them with gray water, or if you're smart about how you plant, if you're smart about how you place your plant material in a landscape, spacing, distance, choice, one plant that grows the right width will use far less water than lots and lots of plants that grow in a small space, like these Morea that you see here to my side, these grasses. Not the crap that's in here, but these other grasses. Bad choice for a commercial project. Bad choice for a metro project. They're super high maintenance. And why? It's not necessary. We can be a lot more natural about our landscapes. We can be a lot more water efficient about our landscapes. You can learn very, very easily how to do this in your own home. The California Lawn Diet, it's a simple book. I think it's less than 100 pages. Very simple. Very practical thinking. This book can be used nationwide, it can be used statewide, it can definitely be used here in the LA area. It's going to show you, as a landscape contractor, design build contractor for over 30 years, it's going to show you simple, easy tips on how you can save water, how you can have a better looking landscape design, how you can have a healthier landscape design. This is just one other example of what we can do better to make a difference. Thank you.